In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a crew in Blox Fruits on mobile. Start by opening Blox Fruits, then tap on the skull icon to open the Create Crew menu. Select the name box. Give your crew a name, then press Return or Done to confirm. Open your browser and go to the Roblox website. Make sure you go to the official website, then tap on the Continue in Browser text near the bottom. Sign in if needed, then tap on Create at the top. Tap on the 3 lines button on the side to open the side menu, then tap on the back button. Select Store. Move the top menu to the left, then select Decals. Select the search box, then type out what you want to use for your crew logo. Press Return to confirm your search. If you want to further refine your search, then tap on the 3-line button found next to the search box. Enter in any filters you want to use, then tap the search button. Select the image you want to use. Tap on the Get Decal button if you want to add the image to your Roblox inventory. This can help you find it later if needed. However, this isn't necessary. Go to the top and select the address bar. Tap on the address bar again, then select Copy. Go back to Blox Fruits. Select the logo link box, then tap again and select Paste. Press Return to confirm your link, and your crew logo will appear on the side. Tap the Create button. You will need to be at least level 300 to make a crew. To invite a friend to your crew, tap on the username box and enter in their username, then select Invite. You can also delete your crew at any point by tapping on the Abandon button. You will need to select Abandon again to confirm. You now know how to make a crew in Blox Fruits Mobile. Please leave a like if you found the video helpful.